save my goldfish over here and bring my legs over for the bird. And my beaks. Okay. Now this I can stick in my scrap pile down here, so I can use it for something else on another rainy day. And now we're going to pretend we have all of our letters up here flying by. And we'll take our goldfish. And I've also taken some 3D foam and put behind my goldfish, or behind my bird, just to give him a little pop dot. And I'm just barely touching the corner of the eye to hold the piece in there, because I don't want that piece to fall out, because I'm going to come back later and drop a googly eye on top of it. And I want it to have something to sit on. So I've got my 3D foam. Now I take my tweezers, again, one of my favorite tools, and just stick a little bit of glue down here on the bottom. And instead of sticking his legs straight up and down, I'm going to put his legs kind of dangling backwards, so he looks like he's flying by with him kind of hanging behind him. Now I'll stick the big beak on. And our first bird is basically done now, except for his wing and googly eye. Now the wing, what I've done, and in the die they actually show this kind of as his, I guess, his underscruff of his neck, but I've used this as his wing. So I take the corner and I've just kind of bent it like so. So you can, I guess you can see there where I've just bent that corner of the wing. I'm going to put a touch of glue up here. And I'm just going to glue the very top of that wing and hold it for a second, and it'll dry permanently. Now I'm going to take my Tombow, very aggressive glue, and I'm going to put a dot directly on top of this eyeball here, with this blue eyeball, and I'm going to stick on a googly eye. You can stick whatever size eye you like on there. I've got several. So there will be my first bird, and we'll just repeat that process for the second smaller bird. And when you get that done, stick him on the card. And again, you'll just repeat the process to make your second bird, and that's your first card. It is a really fun font. It really is. There's our first one. Now again with our scraps, we've got one over here. I'm going to cut that 2 more times, that same fish. So you'll basically use 3 4x4 squares and place it on there. Now you can do multiple pieces of paper on here, 2 or 3 at a time, and it'll cut through. Me personally, I like to just do one at a time because it gives it a cleaner cut. You know, but if I was making 50 cards, I'd probably, you know, resort to multiple stacking. So we'll do 1 more, because it will take 3 for us to make this fish. And again, you can save, you know, if you're already making this fish, save your legs, save your pieces, because, you know, that's a lot of orange little legs or for birds. You know, and you don't have to just use it for birds. There's a billion different things you could use it for. And now when we're making this fish, I want you to, I know I say always kiss your paper to your die. On this one, since we're going to have 1 fin on the right and 1 fin on the left, I need you to reverse that paper. So this time the pattern will show up, so we can make the opposite side of the fin. We'll make our last fish cut. How are we doing on time?
How about 30 seconds?
Okay. We'll go ahead, since we made our last fish cut here, we'll pause on the video.